mates, welcome back to my YouTube channel World of TREDEC, reviewing kind of model kits, pre-assembled and pre-painted model kits from Japan with a not common brand. The name is the F-Toys or Food Toys. The webpage is surugaya.com. These are a collection for 3 versions. I really like them. The same small box for the Mitsubishi MU-2S versions for the JASDF collection. These letters mean Japan Air Self-Defense Force for F-Toys. The box is very small, all written in Japanese. I cannot read it. And at the back you will see the kind of versions or catalog or all the models available if you want to collect them all. 01 is for the 3 versions for the Mentor T34A. The same Mentor, but this tail dragger, it looks like Zero, Mitsubishi Zero, I think. T6, and the 3 versions for the Mitsubishi that I really like it because that reminds me an Aero Commander or Turbo Commander because of the high wings, and the engines sounds similar like Turbo Commanders. 3 versions, the yellow bottom with white top. The other one is in light blue with the same radar at the nose. And this one with the camouflage with olive green with brown camouflage. Maybe it's for the army, Japanese army. I will show you the inside of this box. It's, as I told you, pre-assembled and pre-painted. Okay, the inserts are trans-clear. The aircraft usually be placed in this mold, completely assembled, partially, I mean, with this sprue with propellers, wheels, landing gear doors and landing gear struts, and the mold for the display stand. Very small in 144 scale. Very small aircraft. The building instructions, I will explain you one building instruction for the 3 models. This one for the yellow bottom and white top, the light blue version, and the camo with the camouflage version. 3 Mitsubishis. These are the markings for each one. So you have to buy the 3 ones separately, and in order to get the whole family, let's say that way. And how to assemble, that's the building instructions. The model is already built, almost built, but without these horizontal stabilizers. You have to assemble it on this part in one solid mold. The propellers with a pin and this windscreen. Okay, let's check how to mount it on the display stand. This is if you want to get the closed landing gear or retracted landing gear or the landing gear outside. Well, this is an easy or simple assembling, because the model was already pre-assembled. The first version, these are this one, the yellow and white. The other one is for the light blue, and of course the sprues are in light blue, and some remaining water stickers. And the other one is with the camo. Obviously the sprues are in dark olive green and with the remaining water stickers. Let's show the three ones. We gotta be careful with the propellers. I think I didn't glue the propellers. Sometimes the propeller get out a little bit. Gotta be careful. This is a very tiny model, very nice finishing. Of course, impossible to hide the seams, but the masking they made were excellent, so the finishing of this model is perfect. I could unattach or remove from the display stand. The style is kind of, the base is a boomerang. Let's check what F-Toy. Okay, that's a trademark. It is made in China. Oh, okay. Well, it's an Asian brand. Anyway, look at these details. Very nice finishing. I really like it. And the landing gear are perfect. This is with a pivot system in order to show it or display it in multi-position. Anyway, I will place it again with this, insert this tab into this little slot. Okay, this is the first version. This one is the second version in light blue. I insist on the pre-assembled and pre-painted model kit. Impossible to hide the seams. Very nice finishing of this version. Let me show it as a close-up. Let me try to get it out from the display stand and see and detail the aircraft and other views. Very nice, but as you see, extremely tiny. Well, very nice appearance of this aircraft. You see this big, very big seam, but anyway, that's a way of building them. That's it. I really like to display them by using the display stand. Number two, and the other one is with the camo from the army, I think, Japanese army. Very nice finishing, I insist. Pre-assembled and pre-painted. Let me check the undercarriage. Well, very simple. Nice design. You see the unhidden seams. Well, that's it. Very nice models, Asian models, and this display stand, excellent, very nice. If you want to glue it, okay, that's your choice, personal decision. Well, that's the third one. So, well, that's it about this interesting brand from China or any Asian country, Japanese versions, JASDF collection from F-Toys. I hope it is very helpful for you as an information if you want to buy them on eBay or Amazon or Mercado Libre, etc. Thank you very much for watching this video, and let's go on to the next review. Bye bye.